Hey everybody, we have got to delete one criterion from our Venn diagram rubric. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure you're in your home page for ELA, go to Tools, and then go down to Course Admin. And you're going to scroll down to, it's under Assessment, Rubrics, and click on that. Then you're going to search for the Venn diagram rubric up here, and you'll see Venn diagram rubric right here, and you're going to click on it. And then it will allow you to edit it. You don't need to do anything to the properties, but you are going to click Levels and Criteria. And this criterion was left on there, so next to criterion 3, you're going to click the arrow drop down button and delete criterion. And you're going to close that out. And it should have saved. I'm just going to double check here to make sure it's saved. And it has. So that way you're only grading the Venn diagram on content and presentation.